Students, can you see the screen? Okay. So this is our Java Moodle page. If you click this one, the video available in YouTube. Our class video, some of the important videos are also available. Okay. So every day you need to see the contents, what is inside the Moodle, what is our discussion. Okay. This is more important for you, the review. Don't say everyday classes, I know everything. But we need to know more information because the last class we discussed, write a Java program to display day name using switch case using command line arguments. This is a program we already discussed. Have you understood all the statement of Java? Or you have any problem, you can ask me. You can understand all the statement of Java. What do you mean by command line argument? What is command line argument? How to process the command line argument is an important question for midterm exam. We must, in the final exam, midterm is finished, right? In the final exam, the important question, what is command line argument? How to take the input from command line argument? This is more important question. In this program, we are using command line argument integer.parseInt a of open bracket a of 0. A of 0 we already given in main string. So when we run the program, we need to give, after compile, we need to give Java space class name day. You are giving 7. 7 is the input for this program. 7 is the input for this program. If you are giving 7, it will be converted to integer and it is stored in DE variable, integer variable. Then it will come for checking. Switch of 7. So which condition is met? For example, 1, no. 2, no. 3. This is only the switch case statement is only for the conditions here. 7, it will be the Sunday. Okay. So these things for the input. So write a Java program, another program, write a Java program to display student name using switch case 1 to 10 with command line arguments. What is this command line arguments here? Here you have, this is command line argument. You need to pass the input from Java space class name space input. So when you are giving the input, if you give 1, it will display Khalid. If you are giving 2, Mubarak, 3, Brahim, and so on for all the students. So this is the output. If you are giving 4, print Salim. If you are giving 9, it will print Salman. 2, Mubarak. 1, Khalid. 10, Abdullah. So we listed out all the case statements are here. This is using command line argument and switch case statement. So another program, write a Java program. These things we already discussed in the last classes. That's why I'm going very fast. If you have any problem, you can stop me and ask the question. It is also recorded both in YouTube and as well as it is recorded in the Zoom. Zoom as well as in the big blue button. Okay, recording is going on. So what here is needed? Here you have public static void main, this command line argument. We need to extract switch case character. This is another advancement of the Java program. Here, if you have K, if you press K, small letter, Khalid will print. M small letter, Mubarak will print. And P small letter, B small letter, Brahim will be print. This is the character array. U, Mayuta will print. This is the output. Here, Java, name of the class. What is the name of the class? Name of the class, name st. Okay, for the name st is the name of the class. Java name st space yes. Yes means Jumaya will print. You, Mayuda, Noor, Khalid. This is for name string. Next, the last class, what we discussed. We discussed many programs, students. We discussed many programs, more than 40 or 50 programs. If you take print and study, you need another 2 to 3 months you need to study, because we discussed more than 30 to 40 programs. All programs are important. Some programs you can use it for your application purpose. Okay. So in the practical exam, I will ask some of the programs in the final practical. The final practical will be on, okay, this week, March. Then I have the final practical. The final practical will be when it will be on 6th of April. 6th of April is final practical. So you need, I will give the questions, 2 questions I can give you. You can answer and upload it in the Moodle with the same format. You can do the program, compile the program, run the program and submit. Don't say I don't have a compiler in laptop. This is your duty. Otherwise 15 marks not will be given. It will not be given for you. This is more important. Write a Java program to display full student names by giving input of first 3 characters. If you are giving first 3 character of a student, this is switch case string for 5 student with command line arguments. Okay. So what is here? Here we no need to convert to the character. Directly we are giving BRE, Brahim, full name will be Mubarak, the full name of Mubarak will be printed. Khalid, KHA, Khalid full name will be printed. Then Noor, all those things. Where is the result? Result is available. In the final practical, you need to give the result also. Java name one, this is the class name, NOO, Noor name, full name will be displayed. SUM, Sumaya will be displayed. Then Salman, Brahim, Mubarak, Khalid, all names will be displayed using command line argument. So it was our last class discussion. Then I given you the program. What is the program? Write a Java program to display name, full name of the students. full name of the students by giving input of first 4 characters. First 4 characters of a student using switch case string for 5 students with command line arguments. How many students finished this program already? Any students finished? Salman finished? Finished? Just put in the message box. Khalid finished? Okay. Finished, no problem. Because Khalid, I know Khalid already, he has a compiler, he testing everything. Mubarak, you finished? Salman finished? This last program, last class I given this program. First 4 characters. I write the program for first 3 characters. Students, Java program more important for your life. If you are IT student, you must study Java programming for your job purpose. Even your job in Muscat or your job in Dubai, your job in Sharjah, or you go for higher studies, you must need Java program. Wherever you go, Java must needed for all IT students. You will do it first. You understand the program. And Mubarak, you finished? Mayuda finished? Noor finished? Sumaya, have you finished or not? I want answer from all of my students. It is a very simple program. If you understand, definitely you finish within 10 minutes. Some students still they say that I don't have a compiler. It's freely available. Just download, put it in your laptop. Doctor, I don't have a laptop. Then you can come for next academic year after COVID-19. Mubarak, finish this program. What is this? Very simple program. Okay. Very simple program. This program is very simple. No need to again do it. So I open again. So all the program I am writing by myself, no use. Because I give grade. Okay, after that you should write in your job. Because Java program is must. It will be not helpful for tomorrow, it will be helpful for after tomorrow. Because it is more important. Okay. So in Muscat, doctor, there is no job for Java program. No, definitely it will come. If the ministry not open for job, that is their problem, not our problem. We studied, we are preparing already. So there is no job in Oman. It is a problem of ministry, not the problem of you. If they are not giving job, go to Dubai for working. The world is full of opportunity. Okay. If you learn Java program, you can go anywhere in the world for job. Even America you can go. Even UK you can go. If you have a skill set. No problem, doctor. If we are in Oman itself, only you simply give grade. We will sit and sleep in any of the job. No problem. That is also no problem. But I cannot give more than that grade. If Khalid finished, okay, I give grade A to Khalid. Mubarak not finished, I give B to Mubarak, not finished. Salman not finished. 5 program I given, Salman finished only 1. He say, I will finish after final exam, doctor. Okay, Sukran. After final exam, no grade. So now I save this program. Today, what is the date? 6. Write a Java program to display full name of the students by giving the input first 4 characters. This is a question. Okay, I am modifying the question now. Where we need to modify inside the program, we need to change class name because I save this file name st2.java. That's why I changed to this one. Remaining things are same, no change at all. Okay. Here, this condition is not working. I removed. Here, for brain, if I give brain, it will display full. I give name for Mubarak because we say that 4 character. Change to 4 character. Khalid, call. Salman, M. Very simple. 5 minutes we can finish this program. Not more than 5 minutes. But students wants to sleep. Doctor, I have more. This is more important. Other subject, no use your life. It will be useful, but more useful Java. Save. After save, go for compile. I already made CMD everything. Compile Java C, name st2.java. Enter. Any error, it will give error. Alhamdulillah, no error. Alhamdulillah. Now Java space name st2 space. I give for Khalid. Call. So it will give Khalid. So suppose if you are giving wrong input, I put call. Nothing will be print. Why? Capital letter, you check with capital letter. If you are giving small letter, it will not work. System will not work. System will not work. Because our program like that. The capital letter should be capital letter. That is what the Java differentiate small letter and capital letter. Even string, if you are giving S small, error will come. Okay. Capital letter is different. Uppercase letter. Small letter is different. Because it's a language. Programming language. They designed the compiler like that. So call it is working. Now Brain will working. Give for Noor. Noor, if I give like that, full name for Noor will be coming. So Alt print screen. Same thing you need to do in practical also. Take the result. First we need a program. Java program. Where is our Java program? This is our Java program. Alt A, Control C. You can copy in the Word file for our documentation. This documentation more important. Then this is a result. Now simple program. We finished within 5 minutes. Doctor, I will do after final exam. You do in your home, but I cannot give grade. This is 5 minutes work. After this, even midterm available today class, maybe something, lot of work. Tomorrow marriage, day after home, the buying car, lot of work will come. After that, children, but what is important, we need to finish our duty. Finished. What is next program today? We need to go for another program. This program finished. Write a Java program to display with 4 character using switch case statement. Who set after the final solution? I will do it means what is the meaning, Salman? I will do it means what is the meaning? You do after final exam? If I give you, you have to finish within 1 or 2 days. I given 2 days before. Then who said after final solution? Okay, I am not teaching. I will ask only question. Mistake will come. Huh? What mistake you have? No mistake for me. My system is working fine. In front of you, I am running. Everything's okay. You come first, open your mic and speak to me. Don't send a text message. Open your mic first. You are IT student. You don't know how to open. You are a boy only, right? Girls only afraid to speak to me. You speak, no problem. What is your problem now? We are not finished this program. Last class I given this program, right? I given in the Moodle also. Every day I am only writing a program. You are not IT student. You must write a program. Khalid, how Khalid finished? You have a laptop and everything. Sumaya say, Sumaya, I don't have. Mic available in your laptop. Allahu Akbar. Mic with your laptop, dear. Mic, no need to open your mic. Mic inbuilt. You are cheating with other. You see, your mobile phone have a mic or no? All students having everything. Okay, don't make angry to me. Mubarak not finished. Mayuda not finished. Noor not finished. Salman, Sumaya. Okay, at least I give one more program. Finish and display. Write a Java program. To perform the following operation using switch case statement. Write a Java program to perform the following operation using switch case statement. What is the first operation? If you press plus, where is the plus operation? If you give plus, you need to calculate in the switch case statement. You need to calculate A equivalent to A plus B and display the result. if you give minus, you need to calculate A equivalent to A minus B. If you give divide or multiplication, in the switch case statement, everything case statement here. A equivalent to A multiplied by B. Case, what is the another one? Divide. If divide equivalent to A equivalent to A divided by B. Display the result. All input are taken from command line argument. So you can take all inputs are from command line arguments. Write a Java program to perform the following operations. Operation means plus operation, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, I give when our tomorrow practical. You take 2 days time, no problem. Tomorrow practical, I will teach another program. Okay, Salman, finish this program and tell me. Next week, I will give 1 week time. Okay, thank you.